Hey, how are you? Cole here again. This is just a short video on how to use the tech tool Jeopardy Rocks by Fractile. First step is just sign up, make an account. It's pretty quick. Sign in, and then this is the home screen. You can create a Jeopardy Rocks game, which we're just going to name it Tech Tip. Seven. It's already been taken. Pretty easy thing to do. You're just gonna go over here, click any of the questions. You could just type in any question. What is a tech tip? And you go down, type in the answer. A way to educate someone on a technology tool. Pretty simple. And now you have your first question. There's a couple other things you could do. You can go over here. You can use a daily double if you paid for the Fractile account. I'm on the free account because I don't have enough money to be paying for a Fractile account. But basically that's all you do. You just type in all your different questions, and you can even type in a category for each section. So it's pretty easy to make an account. I'm just going to delete this because it's not really doing me any good. Okay, and you can also go over here and access public games that people have already made, which is really cool. Very useful thing to do because sometimes you don't have time to make a whole Jeopardy quiz. So a quick way to do it would be to just play someone else's that they already made for you, and it's pretty simple when you play the game. Say two teams. Buzzer mode is for the people who pay for the actual account. Just go auto select on the people. It'll give you a short little description on how to play the game. Select a question by category and a dollar amount. So basically this is a history quiz in a different language, which is kind of funny, but that would be a question, I would assume, and then it would give the players different time to answer it. If you have a buzzer mode, I mean, normally you'll just rotate between who's gonna pick the question and answer, and then have the other team have an opportunity to steal. But I guess that's the answer to the question. It's kind of funny I clicked on that. Jeopardy Rocks is a really cool tool to use in the classroom because it's fun, it's effective, and kids actually get engaged. Like prior to a quiz on Friday, let's say you play Jeopardy on Thursday, so the kids get a quick reminder on all the questions that may be on the quiz, or some of the questions that may be on the quiz, that can really help them remember the information because it's a fun way of learning. It's not your basic pen and paper studying or just reading through a chapter. It's a competition, so kids really get engaged. So that's basically Jeopardy Rocks. Thank you for listening.